Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Meeks and welcome to Course 2301 Special Populations. I'm so glad that we're going to be spending the next weeks together, and I want to give you in this video a quick overview of the way our eCampus is set up. And after this is finished, please let me know if you have any questions. You can always reach out to me at my email, and also you'll see in the discussion board that there's a place to ask questions. So let's begin. The first tab is the announcements. I will be posting announcements at least once a week, maybe more than that, and I will try to send them through your email also, but please be checking the announcements and read those. I like to give maybe extra credit opportunities or hints about the week or special things for you to read. The next is the syllabus and course information. These are the tabs. I will work very hard not to change the syllabus after the first day of class, but I will let you know if anything needs to be changed or altered for that. Next is the getting started. Here are some important things to get started, and I will also be putting this video there. Weekly assignments is a very important tab. This is going to have all of your course content. I highly recommend going to Cengage, clicking on here, signing up, get the textbook, and this has awesome videos and things to prep and to study. Since this is an online course and we don't have much face-to-face time, this is a perfect place to look at to get more information about the course and the chapters, more than just the textbook itself. And also, some weeks I refer to going to Cengage, so please be sure to set that up. Each week is labeled here that you will click on, and you'll be able to see your assignment for the week. So it's all set up through the 5E model. It's a way that you can teach your students. And so I'll have the Engage, a video here, or a video connected to Cengage to watch. And then we also have here a overview of the chapter, the PowerPoints. On some of the chapter PowerPoints, I've added in my own notes in there for you to help when you're studying for exams or doing assignments. And then the assignments are usually listed here, either reflections that we have, talking about your field experiences, or exams and different tests that we can take. So each week has a tab. After that, we have the field experience, and I know this is a very important part of this course. Since we can't go to schools and not much is open, some summer camps are, we have set up to do it virtually online. So you can do all of your observations using these links. I would highly suggest going through and clicking on them, kind of seeing what you want. Ideas. Last semester we used these and it worked out great, and students liked the variety from it. Also up here, I put in some very important links. So this is the field experience final report rubric that I'll be using when I'm grading the final paper. This is an example of a lesson plan that one of the questions asks to refer to a lesson plan. This is an updated version of the handbook. I updated it last semester when we couldn't go to the schools. This is Form C. This is what you will use to record all of your information for every video that you watch or any teacher interview that you do. And then this is a very important link. This is going to be the actual questions. I'm pulling it up so that you can see. This is the actual assignment and the questions that you will answer during your assignment. So you want to have these pulled up when you do your field experience. So those are the questions for that. And then this is the rubric that I will be using to grade your paper. So you can use them as you do your observations. The next tab is discussion board. We only have a few this course, but I do want to show you that it has a virtual office here. If you have any questions that might refer to the class, you can post them here. And then we have instructor information about me, and it goes through to talk about more resources and things like that. But I hope that this overview helps, and please let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you, and I look forward to working with each of you. Thank you.